This Chinese beef and mushroom recipe is quick and easy to make, using simple ingredients and one pan. The beef cooks fast, the mushrooms soak up the savory sauce, and the entire dish comes together in minutes, making it perfect for busy weeknights and easy homemade Chinese meals. It's a stress-free recipe that delivers big flavor with minimal effort, making it perfect for busy weeknights. With minimal prep and short cooking time, this quick beef and mushroom recipe is great for anyone looking for a homemade Chinese meal that's both simple and delicious. Any recommended dishes or similar dishes you want to learn how to cook, just comment below. Thank you for watching my channel. Track me down. Don't forget to like and subscribe.